Hi, I'm Nick Simon with Alvarado Turnstiles. Thank you for joining us in our booth here at ISC West 2021. We're excited to see our clients again, be here in person, and show you our solutions, including our newest full-height turnstile that has a touchless feature. This touchless feature is one of a kind, the only motorized and automated full-height turnstile in the industry. At Alvarado, as industry leaders in the full-height turnstile space since 1956, this is a true innovation within this type of product line. So what we're going to do is to show some basic features. So in the past, turnstiles, when you scan your credential, you have to physically push these arms to complete the rotation, right? So we'll show you how this operation works in conjunction with our touchless sensor up here, sensing that the user is there. So this right now is currently locked, right? So I have to present a credential to the turnstile. Turnstile is currently unlocked. Once I enter the lane, turnstile will automatically rotate without requiring any pushing force, no contact at all. So what that's doing is, obviously, we're creating a safe and hygienic space for our clients. We're also ensuring that every user has the same experience, so that if it's too forcible to have somebody push the arms, everybody gets to kind of have the same force, and we have a defined throughput rate as well, right? So we know, due to the rotation speed, how many people will use that. Up here we have our touchless sensor. This can be installed both indoor and outdoor applications. And again, if I enter without providing a valid credential, nothing's going to happen, right? No different than the way Turnstile has been designed for 50 plus years. Scan my card, activation light goes green, I enter the lane, automatically rotates and waits for that next activation. So the last thing we want to talk about here is Alvarado's made a lot of turnstiles in the world, right? This header, this top channel assembly, is retrofittable to all of our full-height turnstiles that we've sold for years. So if you have facilities that want true control, that want to migrate towards the touchless experience, the Alvarado touchless full-height turnstile is a solution for you. Again, once again, scan my card, enter the lane, automatically rotates, no touching, waits for our next activation. So please visit us here at Alvarado's booth at ISC West 2021, and remember, we're here for you.